Good evening. I'm Nancy Cordes. In tonight for Norah. Donald Trump scored a big legal victory today. Special counsel Jack Smith moved to drop not only the president-elect's 2020 election interference case, but also his classified documents case in Florida. It's not because Smith now believes Trump is innocent, but because of Justice Department policy, which prevents sitting presidents from facing criminal trial. Trump has been threatening to fire Smith as soon as he takes office in January. Today, Trump's team called the move to dismiss the cases a, quote, major victory for the rule of law. While the special counsel cases are now all but finished, two other criminal cases against Trump remain in legal limbo: his election interference case in Georgia and his so-called hush money case in New York. CBS's Nikole Killion leads us off tonight from West Palm Beach, Florida, a short distance from Trump's Mar-a-Lago resort, where he's been planning for his next administration.
Tonight, an astonishing end to an historic investigation. Federal Judge Tanya Chutkan dismissing the election interference case against President-elect Donald Trump after special counsel Jack Smith asked that all charges be dropped. In a 6-page filing, Smith acknowledged the Justice Department and Constitution forbids the prosecution of a sitting president, but he noted that prohibition is categorical and does not turn on the gravity of the crimes charged, the strength of the government's proof, or the merits of the prosecution, which the government stands fully behind.
These prosecutions, from Jack Smith's perspective, are ending with a whimper, not a bang. And I'm sure it's a very, very personally disappointing day for Jack Smith. I suspect that if he had to do it over again, he probably wishes he had been given this mandate earlier on.
Smith also asked to remove Trump as a defendant in the classified documents case, which is currently on appeal.
I did absolutely nothing wrong. He's a deranged person.
The president-elect has long criticized the special counsel and had threatened to fire him. Today, Trump called the cases a political hijacking.
Donald Trump won the verdict of the American people, not Jack Smith.
Okay. From the start, Trump's legal team has moved to delay the proceedings against him, taking their case all the way to the Supreme Court, which ruled the president has immunity from criminal prosecution for official acts in office. Trump still faces 2 separate criminal cases, including an election subversion case in Georgia and sentencing in the so-called hush money case in New York, though his lawyers also plan to push for dismissal.
I strongly suspect that the prosecutors and the judges in those cases will take a look at what Jack Smith concluded, at what the Justice Department concluded, and give a hard look as to whether the same outcome is required.
While Trump tries to move past his legal battle, CBS News has learned one of his top aides, Boris Epshteyn, has clashed with members of his inner circle, and his actions have prompted an internal investigation. Epshteyn has been accused by at least one Republican politician of trying to profit personally from his ability to influence Trump's cabinet picks, but he has denied any wrongdoing. Nancy?
He's one of the president's closest advisors. Nikole Killion in West Palm Beach, thanks so much.